Okay, guys, this is the first time I did a video on this stock. It's just popped up on my screener, and I didn't like I said, I had I'm very strict now when I'm swing trading these stocks because I'm only doing two accumulations on them. I don't want to just keep adding. If the stock don't work, we cut the band-aid off and let it go. But as I'm looking at GGR, the risk versus probability is very good, and is this a hidden gem that no one has found yet? The volume is decent, 4 million. It's not like it's very bad. And as you can see on the 5 minute here, we started to really get up here. We went to 48 cents, and we had a nice decent move here from the highs to the lows. This was a 14% move from the very high to the low there. Very nice move in a very short amount of time frame. I'm still not in it. I would like to get into this one probably tomorrow. It's September 23rd. I'm just saying that right now. We could clearly see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 touches below this ATR4. I like to look at the sixth candle, as that's like my magic roll. This one, people might argue, is that close enough with that count? Probably not. Because you could clearly see, these ones are touching. But as I'm looking at this one, we have a K value of 3.37, which is the stochastic underneath. I definitely see this going up big. If you look at this from the current price to the EMA 5, you're looking at a 21% return. I would like to see it go down a little more and see where we get that. But this would be a nice 10 to 20 consistent return. And I have no doubt this can go way higher than that. But this is a very depressing, and then you can get a very big oversold bounce. Like I said, the biggest plays I've seen did these same patterns, and I'll show you all of them now. As you can see, the more depressing they are, the bigger the moves are. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's your 6 daily candle roll when you're hugging it or below the ATR4. And if even just to this EMA 5, when I did analysis on that, I said this is going to give us a 45% return. But look at the return this gave. I don't expect GGR to do that, but I do expect these kind of analysis plays to plan out. GGR has something very similar. I do think maybe we can go just slightly lower. We're at this 5 candle. Maybe we can get one more daily candle. But when you're looking at this analogy of this candle, well, this is indecision. The bears try to take it over, the bulls try to pump it, and then we meet in the middle. Nobody really knows where we want this to go. Now, yes, it can go a lot higher or a lot lower, but usually this signals not only do we have my nice system of we're hugging this ATR4, which is customized settings, and now we have an indecision candle here. We could definitely have, the end of a short-term downtrend here. So the next thing I will say, the EMA20 got touched 822. It's 923, so it's been a 1 month since it's touched it, so it's nice to see some time distance there. But anyone that has got into this are very depressed, as they can see. This first candle they probably got in, and it's just been dumping. So it's just very miserable. This thing, from this high here to this low, it's dumped about 50% of its share value. We were at $1 and now we're at 50 cents. So we cut it right in half. So so what is my price target? My first target is always going to be the EMA 5, since we have not touched this. And as you can see, price always magnets to it. The EMA 5 is at 62 cents. It's going to fluctuate. Remember that. So we'll probably go into the 50-cent region, high 50s. So I would love to make a see that. And then the next target would be this, easy ATR4. As you can see, where price comes down, we come back to hit it, and I think we can hit that. It made a 13% from the lows. I think that is just getting started. I don't think that's anything near what this thing can do. So keep an eye on GGR. I think it's a hidden gem. Not a lot of people are talking about it. This thing can just randomly pump out of nowhere, and then a lot of people will probably be chasing it. So you kind of want to get in while it's early. My goal is to buy it on the 6 daily candle when it's below the ATR4. I like to see a low K value, which it has. It's because I don't have to be in a play. I try to look for the most oversold plays that meet my criteria, and this play actually does. It has pretty decent volume too. So this is GGR. Go Goro, whatever the heck they do. We could look at the profile. Taiwan, the company engaged in the provision of smart, interchangeable electric fuel and smart urban vehicles for the mass market. So there's your brief scenario of what they do. But yeah, GGR GGR, I think has a very good potential to move up. And as always, guys, if you want to join the premium Discord where you guys stay in tune to the best updates, where I look to get out, where I look to take my profit, where I look to enter and all that, definitely join the Discord. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be in the YouTube comments pinned and in the description. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. You're not a member yet. All you have to do is hit the server shop on the top left, and you'll see the memberships I offer. I highly recommend you pay the extra $6 and just try the Day in Swing Trading Plus. It is the highest value service, and it's going to make you guys money pretty much every day, doing day trades, looking at the biggest stocks in the world, doing options, making 10 to 20% gains consistent. And I can even show you a brief journal of the high valued wins. And you can also even look at the testimonies. A lot of people had a 7K account and they transformed it to 13K in just a short amount of time. We made $1,119, $1,119, a 40% return doing day trades in a single day. You potentially changed my career path and entire life, brother. People are switching their jobs and doing this exact strategy. I think you guys are going to love it. So to hit the server shop, Day in Swing Trading Plus, or you can just hit Day Trade Alerts and it'll access to everything. But this is kind of what we're looking at. I also do, you can look at my RTK journal. Everything is proof. When I lose, I'll tell you when I lose. But a lot of the index plays are the A plus trades, and that's where I make high returns and have a massive win streak. As you can see, lots and lots of green. All right, guys, I think you guys are going to really like it. I also do live streams. Like, you'll get my live stream here when you know I go live. I think you guys are going to really love it. Community day trades, premium chat. And that's the big thing, is you're part of a chat that is helping you stay consistent and just, doing this exact strategy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is GGR. I think it's a hidden gem. I think it's undervalued. I think it has a big room up. So let's see where this thing can go. I wish you guys the best in trading. If you guys want to join the Discord, I promise you guys will be profitable if you do these strategies, follow the stop losses, the consistency rules, and all that, and watch all the videos. I have lots of education videos that'll set up your chart just like this, and I think it's really nice. I tell you guys, I did so many strategies. I switched it off all these different strategies. When something was like getting tough, I was like, oh, I'm going to try a new strategy because I thought something was going to be perfect in trading. Trading is not perfect. This strategy alone will win you guys a lot of money, but nothing is bulletproof where you just win every time, right? But I will promise you that your probabilities of winning with this strategy is very, very nice. So I hope to see you guys in the Discord. I hope to see you guys make lots of money, and give this video a like, subscribe, comment if you want to see more hidden gem plays like this one. All right, peace out.